Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Eli. In today's video we have a mini anniversary edition entertainment system, or an NES Classic, SNES Classic, whatever you want to call it. This retails for Amazon for less than $25. The shipping is pretty slow because it comes from China, but without further ado, we're going to be going ahead and box and testing this out. So it says it has 620 classic games, which is pretty much a lot of games. We're gonna get into this right now. So first we have the controllers, which I did test this out, and they are pretty comfortable. I'm not really used to B being on the left and then A being on the right or whatever, but the controller looks pretty much like the real thing. Obviously I don't have the real thing to compare it with, but looks pretty much similar. So yeah, that's those two. And then here's the power cord. We have a old type. I have no clue what this is. It's like one of those data transfer cables, but yeah, that's this one. And then we have a very ancient component cables. So that's that, and then we have the device here and a user manual and how to set it up. So that's that. And it does come with a list of games, but I don't remember where I put that. But anyways, we have the console here. So it's very small. It's probably the size like of an, I don't know, it's really small though, which is really cool. We have the reset button and the power button. So sadly, whenever you have to do another game, you have to reset it every single time. But anyways, this thing looks like it opens, but it doesn't. This is where the two controllers go in. In the back you have power and the basically the HDMI. This is power, this is basically HDMI in a way. This is where the video and audio come out, and this is the power. And then on the left you have, or the right, you have some vents. I'm not sure if there's a real fan in there, but we're going to test that out. So we're going to go ahead and turn this on real quick. You have a little red light right there, which is pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in right now. Is it the right way? There. And then just press power. Boom, it's on. Alright, and then we'll connect the controller, and then we will go ahead and set this thing up. Alright, so I'm setting up now. Luckily my TV does have component cables, so we're able to do it. Let's go ahead and turn this on. See if we got anything. Alright, there we go. Let me get the controller real quick. So yeah, basically you have a ton of games. I turned off the sound, but you have different games. I'm gonna go to just a random one. Let's go to, hold up, let's see, there should be, yeah, but there's a ton of games. 630, I believe, 620. That's a lot. They have a ton of games on here. Yeah, I'm gonna try Dig Dug. It says 2, but I don't know what that, I have no clue what that means. Dig Dug 2. So most of these you can find them and they're real, and then some of them are fake. This one looks pretty fake. So we're gonna you have to reset it every single time you want to go back to the home, which is kind of annoying, but just deal with it, I guess. Let's go and let's try this one. Okay, that's a different one. If I have the list, I'll be able to quickly figure out, but I don't remember where I put it. But one of these is the real Super Mario. Yeah, they have Spider-Man, Batman, Mortal Kombat. Just a ton of games, ton of classics. They have Dig Dug 1. Let me see if that's a... I didn't click the right one. But yeah, you get the point, guys. It's basically your own little arcade machine for 25 bucks. That's a pretty good deal. Let's see, we're just gonna look at a random game. And I'm using the controller, by the way. Yeah, but they have a ton of games. They're all alphabetical order, I'm pretty sure. No, they're not. What is this one? They have Dr. Mario. I'm just gonna press this one for now. Okay, so I don't know if this is the real one, because I never played Dr. Mario before, but let's go ahead and... Oh wait, I pressed B. Yeah, but yeah, you guys get the point. It's basically... Oh, this is like Tetris. Okay. Yeah, but yeah, you guys get the point. It's basically just an arcade machine in your living room or wherever you want to put it. I'm going to be giving this away, so whoever wants this particular device, I will be giving it away, because I don't really need it. I don't really play old arcade games, besides Pac-Man, Dig Dug, Galaga, basically the main ones, and I have them all on my Xbox, and I could just play them. They're basically remastered. They're better, play smoother, and better sound, and I just prefer that over an arcade machine. But it's up to you guys. It's only costs 25 bucks. If you want the classics, like in an arcade machine, you can go ahead and do this. You can play 2 players. Sadly, you can't go up to 4, but it's pretty fun, guys. Anyways, link is in the description. Thank you for watching.